Hello everyone. Did you know that astrology and astronomy used to be the same thing? But today, they couldn't be more different. One is a science, the other is more about belief. What is the difference between them? Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects like stars, planets, and galaxies. It's based on observation, physics, and mathematics. Astrology is the belief that celestial movements influence human behavior and destiny. It's not considered a science but has been practiced for thousands of years. Let us dive into the video.
Astronomy and astrology. Two words often confused. Both deal with the cosmos but in very different ways. Astronomy is the scientific study of everything in outer space. Stars, planets, galaxies, and black holes. Astronomers study them all. Astrology, on the other hand, is the belief that the positions of stars and planets at the time of your birth affect your personality and life. Think of it this way. Astronomy is about what the universe is. Astrology is about how that might influence us. Astronomy is grounded in physics, math, and scientific observation. Astronomers use powerful telescopes to observe celestial objects. They use spectroscopy to analyze light from stars, revealing their composition and temperature. Through these observations and calculations, they learn about the life cycles of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the expansion of the universe. Astronomy's findings are testable. They are based on evidence and can be verified through repeated observation and experimentation. Astrology focuses on the supposed influence of celestial objects on human affairs. A key concept is the zodiac, 12 constellations along the path the sun seems to travel throughout the year. Each constellation represents a zodiac sign. Astrologers believe that a person's zodiac sign, determined by their birth date, influences their personality traits and even their destiny. For instance, Aries is said to be bold and ambitious, while Pisces is considered empathetic and artistic. Astrology uses charts, often called birth charts or natal charts, which map the positions of celestial bodies at the precise moment and location of a person's birth. These charts include the sun, moon, and planets. These charts are then interpreted to reveal supposed insights into a person's life path, relationships, and potential. Astrologers analyze the alignment and aspects of these celestial bodies to provide guidance. In ancient times, the lines between astronomy and astrology were blurry, almost indistinguishable. Early civilizations, fascinated by the celestial tapestry, observed the movements of the sun, moon, and stars with great interest and reverence. They used these observations to develop calendars, navigate vast distances, and track the passage of time with remarkable accuracy. It was a time when the sky was both a practical tool and a source of wonder, a canvas of the divine. As these early sky watchers noted patterns in the heavens, they also began to attribute meaning to them, linking celestial events with earthly occurrences, such as harvests and floods. This marked the intertwining of observation and interpretation, of astronomy and astrology, blending science with mysticism in a way that shaped human history. The development of the scientific method marked a turning point in human history. It was a revolutionary approach that emphasized observation, experimentation, and the use of reason to understand the natural world. As our understanding of the universe grew, astronomy emerged as a distinct scientific discipline. This was a significant shift from the mystical and often superstitious interpretations of the cosmos that had dominated for centuries. Nicholas Copernicus's heliocentric model, which placed the sun at the center of the solar system, challenged the long-held geocentric view. This model was revolutionary and laid the groundwork for future astronomical discoveries. Galileo Galilei's observations with the newly invented telescope provided further support for Copernicus's theory. His meticulous recordings of celestial bodies offered concrete evidence that transformed our understanding of the universe. These advancements, grounded in observation and mathematical reasoning, solidified astronomy's place within the realm of science. The rigorous methods employed by these early scientists set a standard for future generations. Astrology, with its interpretations of celestial influence, did not adhere to the same rigorous standards of evidence and testability. While it remained popular among many, it diverged significantly from the empirical approach that defined modern science.
Yes, astrology is considered a pseudoscience because it lacks empirical evidence and does not follow the scientific method. Here's why.
1. No scientific basis. Astrology claims that the positions of celestial bodies influence human behavior and personality, but there's no known force or mechanism that connects planetary movements to individual lives. 2. Lack of testable predictions. Scientific theories make testable and repeatable predictions. Astrology's predictions are vague, subjective, and not consistently accurate when tested under controlled conditions. 3. Contradicts established science. Studies comparing astrological predictions with real-world outcomes have found no statistical correlation between birth charts and personality traits, career success, or life events. 4. Relies on confirmation bias. Many people believe in astrology because they remember the times it felt right and ignore the times it was wrong. This is a psychological tendency known as confirmation bias.
While astrology is not a science, it remains popular as a cultural and psychological phenomenon. Many people find meaning, entertainment, or personal insight in it, but it's not scientifically validated. Don't forget to subscribe and share the channel.